Welcome. In front of me is an Oscal C20 PRO, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. To get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one. Next, click on these three bars right over here and select Settings, Import. I'm going to be selecting SIM card. So that's where we're importing from. This will then display all the contacts on my SIM card. They will all be selected by default as long as none of these contacts already exist on the device. From there you can just click on import, and this will import all selected contacts to the device, and you can see them right here. Now additionally, you have the phone icon right here. You can tap on this and also change to display contacts from your SIM card without needing to import them. And additionally, if you have a Google account, it will show up here as an option as well. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.